Everyone, hello parents, how you doing? Today we're going to make a nature's bookmark, okay? It's an excellent present and an easy craft to make. You're going to need some paper or cardboard if you prefer, because they're a little harder, stiffer, a ruler, scissors, kid-friendly scissors, please, colored pencils, some white glue, a ribbon. I've used see-through contact paper, okay? But if you have some adhesive tape, those large ones, that's alright as well. The cool part about this is you're gonna ask them to pick up some dry leaves. So you can take them on a walk outside and ask them to pick them up. Also interesting to explain to them the difference between the leaf when it's still on the flower and when it's dry, like the texture and the color. That's also very interesting for them. So what you're going to do is always ask the kid to participate in every part of the process, okay? So they can learn by doing things, all right? Ask them to draw with the ruler or with the pencil and or freestyle the shape of the bookmark onto the paper or cardboard. Then ask them to cut like this. It's gonna be something like this, all right? I have this skewer here, and then you can puncture a hole through it to be such as this one, all right? After that, you take the leaf, okay? A little bit of glue. With a brush is easier, or if you have the tube is also okay. You're gonna spread like this, and then glue onto the paper such as this, right? Something like this, okay? Then they can color or write a message or do whatever they want to style the bookmark themselves. After that, you can cut this plastic paper and put around it. So it's gonna be like this, okay? It's gonna be laminated, so it's gonna protect the leaves and make the paper a little thicker and more usable, and it's gonna make it last longer, right? After that, you just have to put the ribbon onto the hole. That's also a good activity for them, so they can work on fine motor skills. You can help them or make a bigger hole, okay? That's also okay. And it's really simple, really cool, and they can send us presents and just have fun with it, okay? See you, bye.